can't wait for the snack. The snacks, I just got chocolate. I got, this is simple, well, sort of simple. Chocolate covered coffee beans, and those are the round ones, and then this one is mint chocolate, dark, both of them dark chocolate with mint chunks. Let me see if I can see. You can see the little bit of white hanging out with the mint. It's got mint crystals. It's not full of mint, it's like mint crystals. I don't know if you can see it. Little white mint crystals in there with cane sugar. So, and that little guy was mint. Let's see if we can find a bigger chunk. There's another one up there. See if you can see it. The white chocolate. Where is there? So there's like mint crystal cane sugar chocolates. Really yummy. Very delicious.